I spent over 1,000 hours learning things I never built anything with. That's tutorials, online courses, YouTube deep dives at midnight, courses I paid for that I never finished. All of these were in my head, like as if I was preparing and studying for an exam that was never going to come. And at the end of it all, I had nothing to show for. No project, no product, no proof that those hours actually happened. If you know that feeling, stay with me till the end of this video because I found out things that are going to help you. And those things are not what most people think of. I lived all three of them, and once I understood what was happening, everything changed for me. Here are the three reasons you went over 1,000 hours and nothing changed. Reason number one is because you mistook learning for building. The most dangerous sentence you can tell yourself is, I am not ready. I need to learn more first. That sentence has kept most people stuck than laziness ever has because it sounds responsible. It sounds like discipline. It feels like you are being smart about your preparation. But here is what's actually happening. When you watch a tutorial, your brain releases a small hint of dopamine, the same chemical it releases when you accomplish a task or when you do something. Here, your brain cannot tell the difference between watching someone build a thing and you building it yourself. This is why you can spend 4 hours learning about productivity and go to bed feeling like you have produced something. You got the reward without doing a work. And once your brain figures out that it can actually get a reward free, it will prefer consuming instead of creating every single time. Here is how to fix this. For every hour you consume, spend 30 minutes making something with what you have learned. Not planning to make something, not thinking about what to make, just make it, because creating rewires the habit in a way that consuming will never. Reason number two is you are planning the work instead of doing it. Honestly, this is painful because it looks like discipline from the outside. You spend 2 hours setting up the perfect system for a project you have not started. You research every available tools before you write your first line. You outline, you plan, you journal about your goals every morning and somehow never move towards them. This is not preparation. This is avoidance in a productivity disguise. Why this is happening is because overthinking is wearing a strategy hat. When you are planning, you cannot fail. When you are planning, you cannot fail. The project is perfect inside your head. The idea has potentials because it has not been tested yet. The business still works, but only in theory. The moment you actually start, you introduce the possibility of failure, and your brain, which is designed to protect you, resists that. So it keeps you planning, it keeps you preparing, it keeps you busy with everything except the things that would actually move you forward. Here's my advice, and you must take this one very seriously. For every 20 minutes you plan, start executing, not because planning is worthless, but because more planning is just procrastination with better aesthetics. The clarity you are waiting for does not come before the work. It comes from the work. Reason number three is because we were waiting for the start line that does not exist. I was found in this circle over 2 years. I waited for the perfect moment, waited to buy all the needed gears to start this YouTube channel you are watching right now. Every month, I would tell myself next month will be the best time. Before I knew it, 1 month turned into 1 year, and 1 year turned into 2 years. Yet, nothing tangible happened until I forced myself to work with what was available. Yours may be, I will start when I finish this semester, when I save a bit more, when things calm down, or when I feel ready. Pay attention here. The perfect time that you are waiting for is not going to come. I said that not to be harsh. I said that because believing the perfect time exists is what is keeping you from using the perfect time you have now. The truth about readiness is that it is not a prerequisite for starting. Readiness is a result of starting. You do not get ready and begin. You begin and get ready. The experience of doing things is what prepares you for the thing. Every person who built something meaningful started before they were ready. So stop asking when is the right time. Start asking what is the smallest possible step I can take right now. Then take that step before the feeling passes, before the plan gets more complicated, before you talk yourself out of it. Now, here is what I want you to notice about three of these. They are not separate problems. They are the same problem, wearing three different masks: consuming instead of creating, planning instead of executing, waiting instead of starting. The three of them will keep you close to the work without ever making you do any. And all the three feels productive in the moment, which is exactly what makes them so hard to catch. You are not lazy. You are not incapable. You are not stuck because you do not want it badly. You are stuck because you have been doing everything adjacent to the work instead of the work itself. The good news is, once you see it, you cannot unsee them. Here is what I want you to take away from today's video. The hours you put in only counts when you produce something real, not planned, not scheduled for later when conditions are better. Understand that things that exist, no matter how rough they are, always beats perfect things that never get started. That's the difference between people who have results and those who have intentions. If this information is useful to you, subscribe and support this channel. And if you know people stuck in this exact pattern, share this video to them. It might be the things that finally moves them forward. YouTube wants you to watch this video showing on your screen. Until I see you again. Peace.